Now, your local forecast from Siouxland's weather team.
Thanks so much for joining us. Welcome back. Siouxland, we could breathe today.
Yeah, not oppressive.
No.
What a difference. You could, and it's still summer sticky out there. It's not, a refreshing fall day, but the difference is definitely there. And here's the reason why. Look at the heat indices across the nation right now. Our dome of heat and humidity has shifted east, and it's very clear, very easy to see where it has gone. Our friends from Chicago to Little Rock are feeling the 100-degree heat indices now, but then look at Sioux City. We're only sitting at 86 degrees for a heat indices. So there it is. Here's where that high pressure moves, and it's going to continue to push east, and we'll continue to feel a little bit less on the heat and humidity side, a little bit more typical for July and not as oppressive. Temperatures on the regional map, we have very hot temperatures, 100 in St. Louis, 80 in Mason City, but you can see where that trough is with some of those cooler temperatures, 70s and 80s for us. Closer to home, we're looking at 70s and 80s on the map, 81 in Spencer, pair 7s in Sioux Falls, 87 in Tekamah. Cooler than we were yesterday, about 7 degrees cooler in Sioux City, 11 degrees cooler in Chamberlain, where they had 100-degree temperatures for 4 days straight. So definitely a change from the last 4 days that we've had. Heat indices, pretty much none. Very close to the air temperatures as we're not seeing that oppressive humidity, seeing 70s up north, so much better there. Dew points are what's the biggest pull for this. This is why we're feeling so much better. Dew points are in the 50s and 60s. When we're in the 50s, it's refreshing. When it's in the 60s, a little bit sticky, but it is July, so it will be a little bit sticky, but much better than the near 80 dew points we had this week. So again, there's that muggy meter. 50 is a little bit more comfortable. We started to get sticky in the 60s, and that's where we're at today. We'll stay away from the oppressive dew points this week, but Tuesday we do get a little bit closer to 70 as we bring in some moisture for some showers and storms. So here is that dew point forecast. Pretty similar tomorrow for Monday in the low to mid 60s, so a little bit sticky but not too bad. And then we get closer to 70, a little bit more uncomfortable on Tuesday as we bring in those showers and storms. Temperatures tonight, cooler upper 50s and lower 60s, much more refreshing than those 70s we had last night. Upper 80s again tomorrow in Siouxland. 60s tomorrow night, and then Tuesday a little bit closer to 90 again as we bring in some more heat and humidity to fuel some thunderstorm chances overnight. So here's that jet stream, and then as I mentioned, that's where that dome of heat and humidity has shifted towards the Ohio River Valley, where our friends out east are seeing the heat. We'll have a trough or just a shape in the jet stream that's going to continue to bring in some of those cooler temperatures, more normal for this time of year, but then that shape is going to flatten out, and what that's going to do is it's going to allow the jet stream to act as a highway for us, bringing storm chances in and out of the forecast nearly every day. So we'll have a lot of instability, and it will just be able to pass very freely through the area just because this jet stream has flattened out. So a very unsettled pattern on its way. Wind speeds are out of the north, 10 miles per hour in Sioux City. We'll start to get a little bit of a southerly wind by this week. Nice tonight, very clear. Temperature is a little bit cooler in the 60s, just fantastic, nicer than we've seen the last few days. But by Tuesday, we do bring in the chance for some showers and storms. Again, a marginal risk for severe weather there. So some clouds, a few sprinkles north and east this morning, but overall, not too bad in the bigger picture. High pressure clears us out tonight. We'll have a very nice night. Lots of sunshine with that high pressure tomorrow. A beautiful, perfect July day. But then by Tuesday, we do bring that chance for some showers and storms, especially Tuesday night into Wednesday. I think that's the most likely time frame for some showers and storms this weekend. Looking at just some clouds in Storm Lake, we have a high of 89 today. This morning we started our morning at 72. It is 86 degrees right now. So tonight 63, mostly clear and cooler, a nice night. Tomorrow 89, a great July day, sunny and warm, just beautiful. And then Tuesday night is when we start with that unsettled pattern. Storm chances are likely Tuesday night, and then a little less likely by Thursday and Friday.
So enjoying the temperature and watching out for those potential storms in the making.
Yes, we're going to keep an eye on them in the Weather Center.
Perfect. Thanks so much, Elisa.